What's good, my people? Back again with another unboxing review. As you can see, we've got a nice Jordan box with the red Jumpman and a black background. Let's not talk too much about the box because people say it's boring. I shouldn't throw it and break it around. So the important bit, which is the box label: Air Jordan 5 Retro OG, white, fire, red, black. If you want to read the rest, you can obviously pause it and carry on reading. Let's get straight into this one. Bam! We've got the fire red 5s. Oh man, it's been a long time since I've had a pair of 5s. It's been a long time since I've had a pair of fire red 5s. I haven't had this pair of fire red 5s, so this is the black tongue version. The version I had was the silver tongue version all the way back in 2013. It's 2026 now, so a good 13 years ago. Wow, time really flies. So yeah, I had that pair. It's a bit different to this. It doesn't have the 23, it didn't have the Nike Air, it had the Jumpman. Bit different colors, but a very nice shoe. And I wore it a lot. I wore that shoe as much as I could, and I really liked it. I obviously didn't get the black tongue pair because I didn't have enough money to buy both, I'll be honest. It's either one or the other, and even then I got the 5s on sale, not paying retail, couldn't afford retail and all that. But yeah, let's get straight into a proper review. Enough of my nostalgia. I know it's not nostalgia, it's nostalgia, but enough of my nostalgia and my stories. So we've got that 5 sole, standard Jordan 5 sole. It's kind of blue tinted, this one. I remember when it was clear, and then they made it really blue. This actually doesn't look as blue as they made them. It looks a bit more on the icy side, which I like. I like the icy soles. Yes, they're yellow, all that stuff, but that's character, man. It's character. And then, you know, it says Nike here. I love that font and just the way it says Nike. I don't know why. It's just something I really like. Then we've got obviously the ice sole, and then we've got the Jumpman logo inside. And then we've also got red, and then red around the front. Going on to the midsole, there's a few different colors. As you can see, we've got the ice, and then we've got red, black, red, black, and then white towards the front. And then we've got obviously an airbag, which is just white on the inside. On the upper, the whole upper A to Z, more or less, is leather. So it's just a white leather with stitching. White leather with stitching, white leather with stitching. We obviously have mesh, good old mesh. We love a bit of mesh. So underneath is the mesh, and then we've got this like rubber plastic bit on top. Same thing on this side. So the mesh netting, what it's usually known as. And then on the upper, as you can see, we've got lace loops, if you want to call them that, lace loops in black with the plastic eye stay. Then we got white eye stays here around the lace loops, and then on the other side it's exactly the same, white and then black at the top. In terms of the tongue behind it, it's got that mesh again and that rubber. White laces, plain white laces, nothing fancy, nothing special. And then on that tongue, as you can see, this is the black tongue version. So what does it have? The black tongue. And then we've got the outline of the Jumpman in black, just like embossed, stamped in. And then we've got the red Jumpman logo. On the inside, as you can see, it's all red. And then we've got the Nike Air logo. Just turn it around. There we go. And on this bit, we've got the Air Jordan on the tongue, upside down, as always. Yeah, lovely shoe. I had to wait for this shoe to go on sale, Something told me it's going to go on sale. I think people don't really like much red on shoes these days, which I love a red on a shoe. I had to get this pair, man. I love the 23 on a 5 and I love the Nike Air on a 5. That's just something, when I see it, I'm like, oh man, what a good shoe. Some people like the Jumpman on the back, etc. Some people like no 23. That's all up to you, that's fine. But for me, 23 Nike Air, that's the way it is for me. But yeah, they did come with these lace locks. Of course, I'll be completely honest, I don't know how to use them. I never have. I've never bothered to care or learn. I just tie my laces up like this. I don't want to use lace locks at all. Again, never have, never will. Just don't really care for them. Any pair that comes with lace locks, like even like 6s, whatever, I don't use them at all. But yeah, wait for these to go on sale. Grab them at a bargain price. Honestly, so happy I got them. One thing I'm not happy about is that we're in February right now, and if you're in the UK, you know what type of weather we're having. And this white, lovely, clean, crisp shoe doesn't deserve to be worn outside and battered by the elements. So it's definitely one for the summer weather. I cannot wait to wear this shoe, man. One of my favorite shoes of all time, I'll be honest, of all time. 5s are one of my favorite Jordans, not my favorite Jordan. My favorite's the 10s, then it's the 5s. Then I'm gonna say either the 1s or the 3s. Yeah, but these definitely my second favorite Jordan, man. I do want Jordan brand to release more colorways that I can get easily. I'm not trying to do all this resale stuff and queues and all this fun stuff. But yeah, I'm not gonna waffle too much more. I'm actually gonna go make some waffles. And make sure you wait a few moments. You'll see an on-foot video of this shoe. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. I'll also post a on-foot video separate, so watch that. And most importantly, take care, my people.